Good morning, everyone. So in today's video, we're going to be taking you along with us. We recently got our floors done. They are all completed now. And we just want to show you everything that we did from start to finish. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, stay with us. Clearing out the house, getting ready for the flooring. Cleaned out this whole closet. Empty this. Clearing out the clutter. And this is where we moved everything in our sitting room. It's a big mess. A lot of stuff to go through and declutter when we put it back. Ah, a lot of work, but excited. Yay! So we are in the process of clearing out all of downstairs.
Let me say hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Just moving everything to the garage so that way the floor's all free and clear for the demo come Monday. Say hey, hon.
Hi.
Yeah, so our house is kind of messy, but that's okay. Alrighty.
Yeah.
So time to pause so we can get to work. Here's all of the furniture in our garage being stored for the week. Fun times.
Hi guys,
Yep, this is the mess when we moved our couch.
Yeah.
All the Legos, lovely socks.
Yeah. And some frizzy clips.
Yeah.
And this is good.
Guess it's good to move our furniture every now and again, huh, Blake?
What?
Where did this mess come from? Hey, are you excited for the new floors?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun, huh?
Yeah.
So we still need to do that little section right there, but we have put plastic up all over the kitchen just to protect the cabinets and countertops. Hi, Sassy. Hi, Mommies. Here's our pantry. That's all plastic up, moved everything from the bottom. The computer area, the little niche. Our house is totally empty. All the decor is off the walls. We have our oven range out there, our refrigerator out here, covered up the screen. And then in here, we took out the sink or the whole vanity. So just getting ready. They're supposed to come tomorrow. Getting excited. Not sure what to expect as far as the mess and all of the dust and whatnot. So it might be worse than I anticipate, or it might not be as bad, but we'll find out. So day 1 is complete, and they did the demo, and they've already laid a lot of the vinyl planks. And here they just have an end cap on the door, so they're holding it down with some buckets of water. And they've done a lot for one day. They're actually saying they're going to be done tomorrow or definitely by Wednesday. They did this whole room, the dining room area, living room, and then they just barely started into the family room kitchen. So they still have all that to do, and then the kitchen. But they started laying the...
Wait, I would say this too. We were having one too. Yes.
Okay, you want to say hi?
Hi, guys. Everything's clean here. I like it. And subscribe. Bye.
You're funny. So it is quite dusty. We had this all covered with plastic, but you can see the thick layer of dust over there.
Mom?
Look right here, see?
Yeah.
So even though it was covered in plastic, it's still dusty everywhere.
Mom.
But that's all right. It'll clean up
Wait,
good.
Can you open this? Can you open this?
Yeah, I can.
Hey guys.
So as I showed earlier, we had to take all the decor off of our walls just so they didn't get super dusty, and some of it still did get dusty. Even though we do live in a 2-story house, a lot of the dust did travel up. So we are in the process of putting everything back and bringing our furniture back into the house. So here is the reveal of our floor. When you walk down the stairs, in the bathroom, we still have to put the vanity back. Now what we got is luxury vinyl plank. So it's like the wood look, it's got texture to it, it's not smooth. And I don't know if many people are familiar with luxury vinyl plank, but it's not like the cheap vinyl, like the olden days. It is, and these were on here, sorry, for holding down the trim piece. It's like laminate, except the biggest difference is it is waterproof. And now we can hear Sassy. You need to go outside? So it is waterproof. It's not water resistant, it's waterproof. With laminate, I know if like you spill water or your house floods or anything like that, like your floor would be ruined. So that's why we went with this. And versus the tile, I know a lot of people like tile, the tile, but you don't have to worry about the grout lines, any tile chipping, anything like that. So again, the trim pieces by all the doorways were silicone down, so we just had the weights to hold that down securely. Anywhere where we had tile, we did have to get all brand new baseboards because they were not able to save them. So they are unfinished, especially the corner pieces. They're not even like primed. So we're gonna have to go around and paint all the baseboards. And then where we had the carpet, they did save those baseboards, but you can see they're not like the greatest, but that's all right. We'll fix them, sand them, paint them, whatever we gotta do, if we feel like it. So yeah, we just have to put all of our decor back and bring all of our furniture in. It took them 2 days. super quick. And that's the thing about the vinyl is that it pops in just like the laminate. So there's no gluing, nothing. If anybody's interested in what we did get, let me show you. Here's the sample piece. This is how thick it is. It already comes with the padding on the back, so it does not need any extra padding. I forget, I don't know if it says how many mils it is on here. It doesn't. But we went with the Shaw floor, Alto HD Plus, and the color is Tortona. So yeah, we were kind of nervous it was going to be too light. We had really a lot of samples. This was the other sample we got, which looks pretty similar, but it's darker, like if you look at them side by side. And we didn't want to go with anything too dark, just because anything too dark or too shiny, it shows all the dirt. And here, hopefully it'll blend in a little bit better. And here's just some other samples that we got. Different brands. This was from Lumber Liquidators, but you can see like it's a lot thinner. So it just, and the thinner ones, I don't know if you need like an extra padding or not. But this is softer than tile, easier on your feet, and not as cold. So yeah, that's what we chose. We'll show you once we're all done putting the furniture back and everything, what it looks like. But yeah, we like how it turned out. It's got like a lot of good variation of light and dark. Or not dark, but like light and medium tone. You can see there the difference. And then it's got the wood grains, and it has like the knots. So it looks like wood. So the kids and I have had a busy morning. We moved all of the stuff from upstairs in the sitting room downstairs to put back in that closet. And then we moved everything from the garage back into the house that we could do without Jay's help. So all the couch cushions.
Say hi, Mom.
Say hi. All the chairs, all that good stuff. And now what we're working on is just going through, like we have so many school supplies from over the years that we don't really get rid of. So we're just gonna go through everything, probably donate a lot of this to the school if they can use it, and just condense, like I have all my craft supplies in here, paint, spray paint, paint brushes, all that. So we're just condensing everything and doing that right now. So he's checking all the markers to make sure they work, and if not, we're tossing them. And we have Levi working on going through all the coloring books and books, activity books.
I'm gonna say hi, guys. I'm doing hi.
Getting rid of pizza, Steve.
Wait. No, we're not getting rid of that.
I know. Getting rid of
Mama.
the books that we're not using. Say hi.
This is a foot.
Okay, you're doing the hype?
It's a foot.
Awesome. Okay, so today is Thursday, and we were able to move back all the furniture into the house last night. And all that's left is just to put all the decor back on the walls.